Peace and love to everybody. Today's ride takes us to Mundy and Lost Lakes. We're going to toss the drone up and take a look at those. And at the end of the video, I'll walk you through the trail, how to get there. We're going to enter Mundy Park using the west entrance, which is just north of Foster Avenue, where Wilmot and Hillcrest Streets meet. We're going to be entering by Gate 6. We're going to go to Mundy Lake, then we're going to go to Lost Lake, and this is where we're starting from, beside the pool at Gate 6. Sorry there's no motorcycle footage in this video, only drone and action cam. Again, at the end of the video, I'll walk you through the trails and show you how to get to the lake. Hope you enjoy the video. Give you a second here to read the shirt if you want. That's Mundy Lake, and that's Lost Lake, right over there. And now I'm going to show you the directions to get to the lake itself. Again, we start by the swimming pool there, right by the sign. This is gate 6 right there, and that's where we start. Oh yeah, they have a frisbee golf course here at the park. These guys were amazing. Through the branches of trees, around a curve, and still landing right by that post, whatever they call it in frisbee golf. Soon after leaving gate 6, we come across this parking lot. You go to the opposite corner of the parking lot onto the trails there. Enter onto Nidinat Trail. Turn right at Perimeter Trail. Follow the trail until you come to this double fence, one on each side. We're going to go through the one on the left side, which will bring us onto Mundy Lake Trail. Took about 10 minutes to get to the lake. The trail itself is very easy, suitable for elderly and children, toddlers. There's a trail that goes completely around the lake. You can enter from the right or the left and loop the lake. That's my Mundy Lake and my Lost Lake video. I hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. Goodbye, everybody.